Hi vlog. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm gonna do my skincare. It's the third week of March. Parang wala namang masyadong, actually maraming nangyayari in a sense, pero parang wala. Today I dyed my hair a darker color kasi medyo over na talaga ako sa red. And then tomorrow I have a meeting for Sad Girl Sense. I'm not sure if it's something na that will pan out, but let's see. Ano pa ba? In a few days, I have to take a certification exam for my corporate job. I have 3 certification exams scheduled, 1 a month. I have 2 upcoming pop-ups. Dapat 3, pero wala palang magbabantay nung third. Yun pa naman yung pinakamalayo. So, yun yung challenge. Yung napilitan na akong mag-forfeit. I've been trying to regularly go back to working out. Honestly, the weight, I don't feel like I'm losing the weight. Hindi naman ako gumagaan. But, I feel stronger, which is better. So, I hope I can stay consistent with the gym and working out. And I think naman parang umokay na yung chest pains ko. Kasi before, grabe talaga. When I went back to the gym, parang every single time I would go to the gym, magkakasakit ako. My chest pains come back. So, very low impact lang yung ginagawa namin to try na hindi ma-trigger yung health issues ko. Medyo mas sobrang chill na lang. Hindi man chill yung workout, but at least gumagalaw ako. Ayun, nakakabalik na ako. Hindi na ako nagkakasakit. So, hoping magtuloy-tuloy ko siya forever. Hindi healthy na ako forever. And then, after the 2 pop-ups, I am going back to Japan. I'll be there for 2 weeks na naman. Actually, parang less. Parang not too long. Parang maybe 10, 11 days. I bought yung acupuncture jewelry. So, I'm gonna do that. Pero parang yun lang yung booking ko because I'm gonna work from there as usual. But 1 week naka-leave ako. That's my skincare and I'm going to sleep. Good night. Going to the gym. I'm already in my workout clothes. I just need to put shirt on. Then I have a nail appointment with a new nail girl. We had a really good pop-up weekend. It's very hectic. So, I think the past 3 months have been very, very hectic. And then I have to finish some work for my full-time job para hopefully I don't work a lot while I'm in Japan kasi hindi din naman dadating agad si Kara who I'm traveling with. Mauna ako sa kanya dumating. So, hindi na ako nag-VL. I'm just gonna work from home. Kasi wala naman ako masyadong gagawin sa Tokyo, I think. Kasi we're starting off at Tokyo. Tapos, we've both been to Tokyo many times. So, parang gagawin lang talaga namin our random things. Tapos, we're going to different parts of Japan. I think two parts that is new to me. So, that's exciting. But yeah, so yung Tokyo part, parang ayoko ng EVL. So, I'll be in Tokyo for a week. Tapos, we're flying out to Miyazaki. Tapos, I found out na someone I was in a pretty serious relationship with, nag-post siya ng anniversary date. Tapos yung anniversary niya, I was still in the picture. What? Hindi pa kami nagbe-break. So, that was very... I was fuming. It's not as if I want to be with this person again. It's not that. Pero, fuck you. So, while we were together, may ginagawa ka na pala. And the thing was, he was telling people, he was telling my friends, he was telling anyone who would listen na nakipag-break ako sa kanya over nothing. And I didn't even know na something else was happening behind my back. So, that was fun. The day I found out, naglakad talaga ako sa treadmill lang. And then, wala. Oh, and also I booked a slot with my therapist. Kasi, it really made me so mad. Yung feeling na, oh my God. You get what I mean? So there. So, I'm not having the best time. on top of everything that's been going on. And then, parang sabi ko pa sa therapist ko na, parang now, recently, I'm very, very emotional. I keep crying over things that happened last year, which, as you all know, like, there were just so much death last year. Because my mom's death anniversary is also happening this year, yung 10th year of her death. And I feel like because medyo milestone death anniversary yon, parang a full decade, parang I don't know, I just feel so beaten down in a way na parang mas malala pa yung feeling nung pagka-beaten down about losing my mom, my dog, Mao, parang mas malala pa siya compared to everything else that's happened. And parang I was telling my therapist na I feel so overwhelmed kasi parang I'm feeling all these feelings all at once. And she said na it's because you kept compartmentalizing and now napuno na yung box and it has to go out. Dami kong bagay na hindi masyadong iniyakan. And now I'm crying about it. Recently. So, yun. Parang yun lang naman. So, I'm excited to be in Japan. And, I don't know, take a break from my own mind. I hope. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go to the gym now. Bye-bye.
Burger sa mama.
This is my room. It's not that bad pag mag-isa ka lang. Kasi nalagay ko dito yung maleta ko. Ganito lang siya kaliit. So, this is a room for one person. Tapos, ito yung banyo. It's tiny. I'm so exhausted. Usually, marami pa akong energy. Pero ayoko pala talaga ng flight na ganito timing. So, I left the house at 6. So, gumising ako ng 5 a.m. Tapos, naiwan ko yung Suica card ko. Naisip ko lang siya nasa plane na ako na parang gumagawa ng checklist. Okay, mag-withdraw ako. Maglilipat ako ng money to GCash. Mag-withdraw ako using my GCash card. Mag-reload ako ng Suica. Tapos, parang maalala, Suica? Dadala ko ba yung Suica? So, turns out, di ko siya nadala. Buti na lang, Kara is arriving tomorrow. So, pinalala-move ko sa kanya yung Suica card ko. So, I arrived at the airport at 7. Tapos na ako mag-everything by 8 a.m. Tapos nakanap ko ng pwesto. I forgot my credit card that has access to the lounge. So, wala akong lounge access. So, wala akong maghanap ng cafe. And I ended up at Bluesmith. Hindi masarap. Parang medyo madumi nga yung vibe. There was an empty seat. So, doon ako. Pinark ko yung sarili ko doon until 11. Tapos, dumating si Nico. And then, we went to the boarding gate. Pagdating namin ng boarding gate, boarding na. Pero na-delay yung plane kasi ang dami daw nila load. So, late kami. Delayed kami ng 30 minutes. But so far, so good. Pagdating ko dito, I arrived around 9 p.m. So, umalis yung plane. Nagland kami ng 6:30. Natapos kami sa immigration and baggage, everything, ng mga 7:30. Tapos, bumili na kami ng Skyliner. Nakuha namin yung 8 p.m. na train kasi bibili pa sila ng pass mo. So, nag-opt na lang kami for the next train instead of the 7:44. Tapos, I went inside the train and then now I'm here. Dumating ako ng 9 sa hotel. So, I'm just 2 stations away from the airport. Which is funny kasi I'm gonna have to go to the airport again soon. Dahil we're flying to Miyazaki
it's my first time there. So, wow, ang dami kong first sa Japan this year. Like, the first time in Sapporo, the first time in Nagoya. Before, kasi I'm always in Tokyo. Dahil, alam niyo na, ang daming nangyari. So, medyo sabaw ako ngayon. Thank you to my therapist for talking me out of my crash out, which happened yesterday. Ay, hindi, 2 days ago. And then, she encouraged me to, get my nails done and then go to the gym. Sabi niya na, you're going to Japan. And then, remind niya ako na actually, if everything else that has happened the past 6 months did not happen, would this be a big deal for you? Tapos, sabi ko, actually, parang hindi naman. Pero, sabi niya nga, because there are some major things that happened. So, yung window ko is very close na lang. And parang ito lang yung thing that pushed me to the edge. But hindi talaga yun yung problema ko. So I have to work on that dahil hindi ko daw pina-process ang aking feelings. Meron siyang magandang sinabi about how to process your feelings. And then I'm gonna shower, then gonna go to sleep. Tomorrow, I'm gonna try to wake up early to go to the park. Tapos, maybe take some photos with the cherry blossoms. Yun lang. Bye! Magdi-discuss kami ng bigla tayo naging corporate event people. Tapos, meron tayong dalawang naka-line up na corporate event. Wow! 9:30 Japan time. It's 8:30 back home. So para na lang for the sake of brevity, I start work at 10 a.m. Japan time. Lahat na lang naka-Japan time para mas madali. I start work at 10 a.m. So gumising ako ng 6. And then naligo ako. And then I went on a walk. Punta ako sa Ueno Park. Tapos nahanap ko na yung direct na daan from Ueno Park pabalik ng hotel. Tapos may Family Mart sa tapat ng hotel ko. So I had Family Chiki. Actually, yan. And then egg sandwich. Spam musubi. This is my favorite, yung custard na merong coffee jelly. And then I got yung Family Cafe na iced latte na maraming sugar. Kasi ang tapang ng kape nila dito. That's it. I'm gonna eat this first kasi ito yung pinaka mainit and para hindi pa siya lumamig. Mas masarap na meron silang Family Chicken na may cheese. Hindi ko alam kung limited yun. Pero meron siya sa Sapporo at Nagoya nung pumunta kami nung January and Feb. Baka limited. It's so weird. Chicken yung dinner ko, tapos chicken yung breakfast ko. I don't like chicken. Hindi ako chicken girly, to be honest. But here we are. It's 12, so it's lunch. Pero actually, I still have one meeting before. Wala na ako meetings. And so I'm trying to finish everything. I've been trying not to cry. Suddenly, it hit me. Ang daming, like,
lahat ng nangyari. And now, I'm just... I have a meeting. Wait lang. I have a meeting with my manager. And I need to get these tears out bago dumating si Kara kasi I don't wanna be a downer. So yeah, I think around mid-May.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it from my side for now.
Well, this was short and sweet.
My meeting is done. My last meeting for the day is finished. And I'm just gonna go finish up some work. And then, lalabas na ulit ako to go to the park and walk around. Kasi wala pa yung suwika ko. So, I don't wanna go to other places dahil nga wala pa akong card. I got these earrings off Shein. It's fake. Kasi iniisip ko, I wanna buy this in gold. Realize ko na better talaga to buy real jewelry. Pero kasi, I wasn't sure if I like this style. I took a picture from my jeweler. Tapos, hinanap ko siya sa Shein. I found a similar one. Investment piece. So, mahirap bumili ng bagay na hindi magagamitin. And then, I bought the smaller one. Kasi parang weird yung shape niya. And when I buy jewelry, parang mas gusto ko yung classic, yung look. Pero parang ngayon, gusto ko na bumili ng mga medyo trendy-ish, but I can still use for a bit. I'm done with work. Nung dumating ako, wala pang pila. So, super lucky. Mas maraming tao ng hapon.
京都の寺に静けさが広がる石畳の上そっと踏みしめ風が運ぶ紅葉のささやき今はただ時を忘れる観音の前で耳を澄ませば時間が止まったような静かな世界心の中に響く神秘この場所で私を見つける苔の水石が世界を包む寺の門にも静かに眠る針の目が時を刻む中四季の影にゆっくりと響く
Ow, 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 ow. Aray. Oh my God, nadulas ako sa chair. So, I bought some stuff. I bought this. Parang siyang chocolate na dango. Ang ganda talaga ng buhok ko sa Japan. Super bagsak lang siya. And then, I really made sure to dye my hair black. Actually, hindi naman black. Pero parang, I really tried to, I colored you read my way. Na hindi na siya super reddish. I mean, di pa rin siya pure black, but hindi na siya as red as before. And then I got this. Parang tatlo siyang, may tawag dito. Pero mochi na may ichigo, strawberry. So, I'm gonna eat. And hindi ko alam kung masarap siya. Kasi I have a feeling red bean yung laman. And I don't really like red bean. Tapos, unlike before, na meron akong kasamang kumain, wala na akong kasamang kumain ngayon. Red bean nga. Not a fan. Iba yung shade nito.
So, I'm hoping hindi siya red bean. Hindi red bean yung base. And kung kahit red bean, siguro to. Parang may kasama siyang strawberry. Ang sarap! Then, let's try the yellow one. Condensed milk yung cream niya. 1 red bean. Dalawang hindi red bean. A win is a win. My favorite hobby, kapag mag-isa lang ako nagtra-travel. Parang kanina, 2 hours ako sa Ueno Park. Umupo lang ako doon, tapos nagbasa ako. Tapos may mga tumabi sa akin, may mga umalis. Whatever, nagbabasa lang ako dito.
Ayun na.
Hello.
Uy, anong time na?
Ay, sige, check ko sa phone. 9:30.
Wow, kasya yan sa bag mo?
Meron lang sa stocking. Parang actually yan makapasok.
Sitin yung ano yun. Ate Bakirang.
Ito na nga tayo. Oo. Si Cara mangbubudon. Iyaano na niya.
Ano? Hindi niya tinanggal. Okay lang ba?
Siguro.
Wait lang. Tanggalin ko muna yung plastic kasi ang hirap na tanggalin. Oh my God, ayaw mo pa bukas.
Basta hindi yung egg tart.
Basta yung may tao. Ayun, kita mo yung sarili.
Ada ko po sa po. Narito ko na imalit ko para na.
Cute. Ang cute ang baso.
Okay. Girl, ayaw mo pa bukas. Pwede ba kayo? Meron ng mic. So, ayaw lang natin makuha to. Yung tart. Kasi meron na.
So, kahit ano, okay lang. Saan makuha mo yung parang nasa loob nung ano?
Yung bread.
Oo. Total bread boy naman si Yukes.
Yes.
Ano yun? Silicone. Yung tinagal mo sa pancit canton.
It's, ano,
Hindi siya egg tart.
edges. Oo. So, hindi siya circle. So, sure na hindi siya tart. Feeling ko yung, ano siya, ito, yung, ano to, milk?
Oo.
Cute. Banana milk. Uy, parang gusto ko mag-banana milk mamaya. Easily influenced. Hey, Yuki! Konbanwa! Ay, sabi ka. Hello! Shit, ang cute to. Tingnan mo, sobrang squishy.
Parang yun si Yuki pag pinanggigilan mo. Squish. Ayan na. On my way to meet up with Cara.
Hindi na make sense, hindi mo
Until bumili ako kasi sobrang mura niya. Oo. Yung lalagyan ng gamit.
hindi ko mag-gets. Pero sobrang viral niya.
Parang feeling ko, kung gusto mo ng ganun, meron kang mabibili na mas mura. Kung meron ka ng mga skate park, pwede ka pumili ng baso. Isa lang. Ano lang to?
Na-spot na ni Cara ang Louis Vuitton.
Please watch your step when getting on or off the escalator.
Alam mo, dapat yung video ko pala packet.
So, may nakuha na akong ano, kaya. Tapos, iyak-iyak.
Ito rin si Cara. Lunch after niya gumastos. Ayan. Video. Part sa vlog.
Oh, ay, ano ba? Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Oh, introduce yourself.
Watashi wa Kara-san.
Cara des.
Lakad ka towards me. Dito ako tatayo.
Ano, saan ako galing?
Doon sa cafe na yun. Kasi nung
Yan.
may pedestrian dito.
May creative direction po siya. Now, nasa Harajuku naman kami. Cara, magkano yung gagastusin mo sa Harajuku?
100 yen.
Okay.
Isang gacha po.
Lalo na pag yung mga hard to find yung na ano. First time to eat Lux Lobsters. Ayan, nag-crop top siya. Nag-crop top siya na anong cotton?
Oo, malibis na yun.
Humangin. Yung scarf niya.
Nag-coke pa.
Yung scarf niya na pang leeg lang.
Ay, scarf ng aso niya.
It's gonna be me again when we're watching Growing Love.
Sun comes up. Chasing dreams I'll never Skies like blues calling me. Life's a song, I'm feeling free. Running wild in city life. Hearts on fire, we
Ang
take
ganda.
flight. Laughing loud with you all night. Stars above so clear and bright. Running wild in city lights. Hearts on fire, we take flight.
Ang ganda.
Laughing loud with you all night. Stars above so clear and bright. Cherry blossoms bloom in spring. Feel the joy that
Tree
love
Springs in Japan. Sobrang fun pa rin makakita ng cherry blossoms.
start to sing. Life's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Dancing in the summer rain. All our worries start to wane. Happiness in every change. Feel the pulse inside our veins.
foreigner.
Pero baka siya lang yun.
Nakuha niya nga po. Sino ba yan?
Siya yung ano, kasi nung after namatay ni M, silang dalawa yung sumunod.
Na nakakuha nung notebook.
Hindi. Siya yung nag-discover kung sino yung deathmate.
Ah. Mm.
Mga 10 days ago.
Nakapag-matsuya tayo bigla. What if kailangan ko pala ng wheelchair or something? So, ito. Kasama na kami sa mga kumukuha ng brochure sa airport. Mag-golf talaga kami. Charot. Medyo malaki yung tub ng slide. Oo nga eh. Saan mo gustong view? Okay. Ay! Yung view natin ay dagat. Tapos mag-golf tayo dito. Mag-aral na ako mag-golf. Bakit? Marunong na ako. Haji na hashtag. Hindi ko nadala yung isa kong glasses. Meron ako isa pang ganito eh, pero black. Kita yung downside kapag nag-stay ka sa mga tent nila dito. Oo. I mean, yung downside is daanan ng tao. Well, camping. So,
Feeling ko inspired siya by...
sa pagbalik na lang natin. Dito kasi baka pala malaglag. Ganyan na lang. First snacks in Miyazaki. Ano?
Most likely nandiyan ako.
Yeah. Ang ganda pala nito sa camera, oh. Ayun na yung spaceship. Kita mo na yung buwan.
May tatanong ako, pero pwedeng...
Ito po, busy na siya. Coke Zero. Bagong burger. Bacon potato pie. And parang, hindi ko alam. Nakita ko lang kasi pink siya. May strawberry. Ang hirap mag-book ng train. Wala silang tap-tap. Tapos sarado yung ticket. So, kailangan mong pumila. Tapos ka mo magbayad dito. Yan, share ko lang. Pero ang ganda dito sa Miyazaki. Pero feeling ko, yung mga mas seryosong vlogger dyan, kailangan nyo to gawa ng content. Guys, nakakaloka. Kasi, nagkamali kami ng sinakyan na train ni Cara. Pa-opposite side. So ngayon, buwaba kami sa station. Same yung arrival and departure ng magkabilang platform. Tumakbo siya papunta sa kabila. Naiiwan ako kasi nagsara na yung doors. Tapos 1 hour, more than an hour yung next train. So ito ko ngayon, na-stuck ako. Tapos naghanap ako ng taxi para magta-taxi na lang ako papunta dun sa connecting train. Walang taxi. Tapos may kinausap akong student na girl, naglabasan yung mga kaklase niya. Kasi, syempre, sketchy naman ako. Tapos sabi ko, like, can you help me pumunta sa taxi stop? Tapos, punta kami sa taxi stop, sarado na yung mga taxi office. Tapos, sinubukan nila akong sinamahan nila ako, tumawag kami lahat ng hotline, iba-ibang number, iba-ibang taxi brands. Tapos, sabi nila sa akin, walang sumasagot. Kasi tumatawag sila lahat sa separate phones. Tapos, sabi nila, mag-train ka na lang. Nakakaloka, oh my god. Dito ako stuck. Guys, sobrang walang anything. Dito ako na stuck, guys. Isa siyang residential area. Ni walang school kasi yung mga students nagko-commute pa uwi. Oh my god, nakakaloka. Ay, gintab ng noo ko. Tapos kailangan mo mag-overpass papunta sa platform. This is so funny. It's so funny and scary at the same time. Ito. Yan. Yan ang view. Tapos ito lang yung platform. At nasa gitna lang siya ng kawalan. Andyan ako sa train na yan kanina. Sigaw talaga ako, kuya. Yes, nakabalik kami. Ayun si Cara. Day 2 in Miyazaki. I think, ano na to? Slice of life. Chill day today. Matcha lang. Ay, oh my god, totoo nga yung Merlion statue nila. Ganito talaga yung pangarap ko sa bahay ko. Bougainvillea. I mean, may bus. Oo. Cara ay tacos. Ay, video ko lang. For the memories. Lakaran. Yun yung hotel namin. Ayun. There. Yung mga bato daw dito ay naturally formed through the years. Formed. Lakad lang kami pabalik sa hotel. Ayun. So, parang merong walking trail dito.
Tita shoes.
Gantong time din kami nagpunta pero wala akong nakitang wisteria. Ganda.
내리실 분은 하차 버튼을 눌러주십시오. 下一站是站台。
Ito yung sa TikTok, yung background. Ano nung scenery. Ang ganda. Ay. Doon kami galing. Tapos bababa ka dito. Ang ganda niya daw.
Ito yung temple kung saan ika-cleansing si Tish. Ha? Ito yung temple kung saan ika-cleanse si Tish. Tapos bibili kami ng bato dyan para itapon niya doon. Okay. Okay.
Yan, nakapet na po siya. Ibabato mo siya dun. Kailangan magkasya siya. So, kailangan mong makashoot dun sa loob ng wallet. For good luck. Aakyatin ko. So, sana totoo yung good luck. Yay! Hagdan ulit.
Kamusta naman ang lakad mo? Easy, no?
Alam mo na, maliit na bagay. Hindi yung ice cream kanina eh. Ang ganda. Feeling ko sulit naman siya. Andun sa second to the last, both sides. Ito yung good health, yung isa lucky with money.
Hello!
Parang skinny, petite. Galing kami dyan. Nakit naman yun. Ay! Tapos yun pa yung akit na naman. Oh my God. Kita niyo yung tao doon? Ito, yung kukuha for reference. Ako ni akit. Wait, nasa yung bus stop natin?
Yeah.
Yung may blue?
Yan
yung bus stop. Kita niyo yung kotse? Kita niyo yung kuko ko? Size reference.
Diyan kayo galing.
Hello! Mahal ng soft drink, so... Ang ganda dito. Yun lang masasabi ko. Pero pagod na ako. Yan, sinacrifice namin yung 1 hour na wait time plus potential kasi last bus na yun. Totoro. Pwede kang humiram ng sign dito pag tatawid ka
Tapos ibabalik mo dun sa kabilang basket. Cool. I'm just buying groceries. Pasalubong from Miyazaki. For my siblings. Sobrang scam talaga yung laundry room na tumatanggap ng ibang na hindi coins. Tapos naglagay ng vending machine dito. Hindi daw sa nagpapalit ng coins. Love it. It's 7:30 in the morning. Magcha-check out kami in an hour. Pero naliligo pa lang si Cara. I'm heading to the beach para mag-take ng photos. Kasi nakalimutan ko mag-take ng photos. So, here we are. Dito talaga ng hotel na to. Babalik ako. Hotel namin. And then, ito yung dagat. Nabasa yung shoes ko from trying to shoot. So, I'm here trying to dry it. Ako na naglinis kasi hindi ko sure kung kano ito katagal. Nakalagay 3 minutes pero I wasn't sure. So, sinut ko na lang siya dun sa dryer, which is 20 minutes. Nadoble yung coins ko pero pwede naman siya tanggalin pag dry na siya. Yun lang. And then, I'm heading out. It's our second to the last day in Fukuoka. And yeah, this is the fit. Cords. Nagpatong ang cardigan pero long sleeves to. Pero kasi ang lamig. Oh my gosh, Beyond the Vines. Tapos New Balance na pink. May pink socks.
So today we can go to pick up FGH. 我们今天是 FGH 3个。
品種5品種ありまして食べ比べするのがおすすめの食べ方です。
5 brown 的5个品种哈，大家每个都尝一个 try each。
でいちご割りするときはですね、いちご本体を持たずいちごの枝の方をお持ちください。枝。
就是摘的时候摘它的那个就是那个定那个地方哈。
こっちに振れば。
ちょっと青いね。まあこれはいいね。
Ang sarap.
把这个背包放。
shopping 街。Okay, head down, head down.
Dirty there, dirty.
So
I think dirty. I think we are tall and
还美啦，还没不够矮啦。
that's the fast.
我们今天晚上来去逛。
老板最近很喜欢警察，让他练习的机会啊。
Isa daw tong Samurai House.
Floating down. Sit down. Okay. Okay, I go.
Oh my god.
他继续滴哦，继续滴，好好玩哦，继续滴哦。还不行，还没滴，可以吗？可以，我可以起来了啦。
OK.
哎，
要谁？
喂，可以了。OK。啊，大丈夫だ、大丈夫だ。爸爸，你有这么大吗？
可是画的
什么？哦，有线，有那个。
so you have to go down. Go down, go down.
Doraemon song.
为什么你在搞这些家长？你不写那些？
哆啦 A 梦。哎呀，你啊，哆啦 A 梦。
mas masarap siya as chazuke. So, pinuso ko na lahat dito. I got parang hopya, I think. Sabi niya, if you touch the head, you're gonna make wiser decisions. If you touch the body, you're gonna have good health. So, maasa po ako sa'yo. There's a garden on top of the roof ng shrine. It's so nice. Tambay siya dito eh. Anong shrine to? Ah. Ito yung hindi ako nag-outlet store. Pero yung outlet store yung lumapit sa akin. Ito po yung aking personal shopper. Wow! Na-imagine ko to dahil dun sa mga TikTok. Gold nga siya. Pwede ba ito ibalik? Pag di ko gustuhan. Hindi ginawa bukas. Pabalik ko lang po. O yun, fairness, cute nga siya. Pero hindi ko malaman dahil sa lighting. Parang...
Japan exclusive.
Yeah, Japan exclusive yung Sakura. Kapag ako nakita nito sa Pilipinas, ha? Para ka lang, yung sales staff. Mamang tagal naman po dun sa bag. Hindi naman yun. Oh, all black hardware. Anong kasya dyan?
Yung wallet.
Yung wallet lang, tsaka power bank. Wala siyang balak bilhin yan before.
Dalawang reload pa ako.
Parang bagay sa'yo. Ang cute.
Kaso kasi times 2 yung price kapag nag-lizard na ako.
Doon ka man sa Lizard.
Doon lang ako sa cow.
Oo. Bagay. Parang fit siya sa frame mo.
Tapos blue pa.
Oo. Bagay sa maleta mo. Travel bag. Sa kanya ay steak. Roast beef. Roast beef and salmon. Okay, malapit na kaming makapasok sa donut.
Ito po siya. Sabi niya, kukunin daw niya lahat.
Dahil pinila ako.
Donut 1. Hello.
Ano yan, collar? Yun yung leash. Ang ganda. Pwede mong i-tear na yung, ano, yung leash. Oo. Ayun. Dito na kami sa airport ni Cara. Kamay lang siya kasi ayaw niya ng ano, media mileage. Charot. Last meal in Fukuoka.
For patient waiting, it is now safe for you to stand.
Have you seen the cutest boy in this whole world? Kuro. 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 Oh my god, you're so cute. You're my little baby. You're my little baby. Say bye, vlog. Kuro. Bye, vlog.